let's try this again. And then after I go through a few gears, you can just like have it up there. You know, show them how we doing it. I need to get this perfect though, to where it's straight up and down. That's kind of bothering me. Hey, shout out to Ma. I know you hating right now. Come on. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Look at the new shifter. Y'all see it? Cruising in the Vulture. Cruising in the Vulture. Mustang gang. Yo.
Bruh.
Oh no. Oh, they crushed him. Bro. Y'all drive safe out here, man. Yeah, this is where it's at. Twix.
Look at these.
Let me finish with them.
Yeah. Oh, you tired?
What does that mean?
I don't think I had the clutch all the way in. So I tried to downshift and I ain't had the clutch all the way in gear. Rookie mistake, but happens to the best of us. All in all, real happy with the Steeda Triad shifter. The car is driving good, you know what I'm saying? GT back on road, the Vulture. ISO, man. Too clean.